Hello guys, what's up today? Today is a very good day to talk about this new year. First of all, tell me in the comment how do you do because it's very important for me. Smile is very important to start this new year. We all know about this pandemic time and with the mask we can't see your smiling, your faces, your behaviors, and for me it's very important to start this new year by a good smile. Smile. Spread your smile around you for this new year. It's very important. I don't know about your situation, your context. In this video, I just want to talk honestly with you about this new year. A lot of things are going to change. Sorry for my English accent because I'm not a native English. I do my best to improve my speaking. For this new year, I wish you the best. I wish you the best because it's very important to think positively about your future, about your present, about every actions you are going to do right now. I assure you, right now is your time to become better. Right now is your time to do the first step, the first action to change your life. It's a very best time to improve yourself, to improve your skills, your soft skills and hard skills, to improve your ways, your story, your life, your books, your entire life. I believe in you. I believe in your potential. This new year is very important to grow up, to quit your comfortable zone, and whatever if you are afraid about the adversity and diversity, it's a very good time to become better. It's very important to wondering yourself what you really want this new year. What actions are you going to do right now to reach your goals? Maybe you have a lot of questions and you don't have any answers, but I assure you, you just have to think about it, to think about your why, to think about your present, what you want to change right now, what actions you are going to do right now to make a difference between your old versions versus your new versions you want to become in this new year. It's very important to make a reset for this new year. I know about the consequence and I just want to give you some advice to become better, to start this new year. It's very important to focus our energy on this new year. All of us feel this negative energy and consequence of the pandemic times, the coronavirus and the lockdown. And we all know about the impact and consequence. But in this new year, I just want you feel different, and I just want to help you to start this new year by a smile, by a good energy, good vibration, good frequency. And it's very important to make this reset right now. If you don't do this before, this year is very important for me and for you too. And it's the reason why I give you all of my energy, positive energy, vibration, frequency for this new year. Right now, I want you tell me in the comment what is your goals, what shows you want to do right now in the present in this new year to make the difference between your old life versus your new life. Tell me in the comment what new life you want to attract in the present, what project and experiences you want in the present, and tell me about your new version. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about your new project you want to attract in this year in the comment. And it's very important for me. At the last, I wish you the best Don't worry about the future. You just have to focus on your present, on what you have control on, your emotion, how you react in our society, how power you have, your potential, and which action you can do right now to make a difference and to reach your goal. So I wish you the best. Bye bye.